Hello everyone. This is the question from KIT 2021 Mechanical Engineering Set 2. A digital watch X beeps every 30 seconds while watch Y beeps every 32 seconds. They beep together at 10 am. The immediate next time that they will beep together is blank. So we have two watch X and watch Y. Watch X beeps every 30 seconds while watch Y beeps every 32 seconds. So first time they have beeped together is 10 am. After that, watch X will beep after 30 seconds. Watch Y will beep after 32 seconds. Then watch X will beep after 60 seconds from 10 am and watch Y will beep after 64 seconds from 10 am. Then watch X will beep after 90 seconds from 10 am and watch Y will beep after 96 seconds from 10 am and so on. So we can see that watch X is beeping in the multiples of 30 and watch Y is beeping in the multiples of 32. 32 into 2 is 64, 32 into 3 is 96 and so on. So if we want to find out when will be the next time watch X and Y will beep together, then we have to find out a smallest number which is multiple of 30 and which is also multiple of 32. So that number is called LCM of 30 and 32. LCM means least common multiple. So the least number which is exactly divisible by each of the given number is called the least common multiple of those numbers. To find the LCM of the given numbers, we express each number as a product of prime numbers. The product highest power of the prime numbers that appear in the prime factorization of any of the numbers gives us the LCM. To simplify this, these are the steps to find LCM using prime factorization of the numbers. There are different methods to find LCM, but use of the prime factorization is one of the universal methods to find LCM of the numbers. So using these steps, let's find LCM of 30 and 32. So step 1 is find all the prime factors of each given number and write them in exponent form. So to find prime factors for 30, we use simple prime factorization method that we all know from the school. We start from the smallest prime 2 and see if 30 is divisible by 2 or not. So 2 into 15 is equals to 30. Then 15 is not divisible by 2. So we use next prime which is 3. So 3 into 5 is 15. Now 5 itself is a prime number. So we have found 3 prime factors of 30. So 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. Now for 32, let's start from 2. 2 into 16 is 32. Again 16 is also divided by 2. We have to divide this side of number until we reach a prime number. So 2 into 8 is 16. Once again 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 2 is 4. So we can write 32 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we have found all the prime factors of each given number. Then we have to write them in exponent form. So exponent form of 30 will be 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. And exponent form of 32 will be 2 raised to 5. Step 2. List all the prime numbers found using the highest exponent found for each. So for 2, highest exponent we have found is 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5. For 3, highest exponent is 1. So 3 raised to 1. And for 5, highest exponent is also 1. So 5 raised to 1. Now step 3. Multiply the list of prime factors with exponent together to find the LCM. So LCM equals to 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 is equals to 32 into 15 is equals to 480. So LCM of the 32 and 30 is 480. So the immediate next time that x and y will beep together is 480 seconds after 10 am. Options are given in the hour minute form. So let's convert this 480 seconds into minutes. So 480 seconds is equals to 480 divided by 60 minutes is equals to 8 minutes. So the immediate next time that x and y will beat together is 10 hours and 8 minutes, which is option A, 10 hours and 8 minutes AM.